The house burnt down. And I hurt my hand. Let's go.
No, go there. Here's inside. Can I?
Okay. It's all burnt down. The only thing that survived is cookies. Orange cakes.
They don't even taste good.
Yeah, that's why they survived. Nobody likes them.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, so now that's an update. So now we can go over there. Wow! Ah, it's a fly on me. There. Rolls.
Very nice.
Wow.
An opening. Wow.
Whoa. Wow.
Welcome to Jurassic Park. You can go in.
Well, you're in the way.
Hello. There's just like a body here. A body in here.
Unboxing. Whoa.
No body.
What time is it?
Whoa.
Oh.
I guess there's supposed to be like, arrow best points from this.
Wow.
Okay.
So cool. What? Oh!
But yeah,
What are them?
they can weigh things.
Whoa.
Wow.
It's a weight. Whoa.
And on the floor, apparently.
Okay.
Taste test. Oof. Got the extra taste. Mm.
Oh. Nice.
The flavors are mostly on my tongue. But let's go. Insulation.
Whoa.
Don't read that.
Light.
Wow.
Jeg tror kanskje ikke helt lada opp.
Oh no. Well, we don't need light.
No.
Wow. So cool.
What's up? Oh, sus.
Yeah.
Sus.
Somebody casually hanging their clothes.
Bust a nut. Down here.
Is the
Electricity stuff. It's a room over here. Wow.
Oh, screen.
There.
Oh!
Oh, whoa. Some.
Didn't hit
They
one.
missed
Every.
a nuclear reactor.
No, it's a soda machine. Oh, okay, this is big red button.
Oh. I think I have to twist. Whoa. They're just chilling.
Were we here?
Yo, homie.
Get some exercise. Got to get the gains.
What? Exercise?
I thought you said extra fry.
It's the thing. It's the thing. But then, and definitely the cable is still working.
Yes.
Oh, that's the other thing. The thing that goes in the thing. And then another thing.
You should jump down here from our...
It's super fun. It's like in the water parks, with the water slides. Yeah, look, yeah, like you jump and then you slide down there.
Someone has done it before.
Oh.
A very, very long spring.
Wow.
You get it.
Wow. You do the. Wow. It like goes.
I don't know. Bricks, these things. And I don't know. Men det är väldigt oförtävligt att det är fel.
Wow.
Okay, let's go upstairs.
Let's go. Whoa, a TV. No, it's not a TV.
Yes,
Whoa.
it was.
It was
Pumpkin! Look, pumpkin. On it.
wow. Pumpkin. Ow. Wow, here's another thing. And you put thing in and thing goes brrr. Whoa, super fun. Jump down there. That's so
No thanks.
super cool. Super fun.
You wouldn't die though.
So that's where Axel hanged himself over there. Mellebolle bar.
Ja, det var Mellebolle bar.
That's cool. We all love some mellebolle bar. Cobweb.
Oh.
Spiderweb.
Spider-Man?
Maybe I become Spider-Man now. Oh shit! Oh! Hva setter seg i setet? For the views! For the views.
What I did.
Nei. Do it for the views.
No.
Nobody wants to sit in the seats. Whoa. Axel's got the poking stick. So don't drop the soap in front of him. Ew. Nobody's safe.
Go.
Wow.
What the fuck? Look at it.
Mm. Oh. Oh. Delicious.
The flesh are melting on my tongue.
Yep. Wow. So cool.
Pretty epic.
Wow. So exciting. Here we see the wild Axel and Sara moving their way through the forest
Without my speaker, so it's kind of bad, but yeah.
with his electronic device. He is playing music.
Oi.
Prøv da.
Den går ikke ut.
Wait, you gotta find the extra.
Okay,
Somebody got a bit angry and punched the door. That's not nice.
No.
Illuminati confirmed.
Potato.
Potato. Oh.
This was Dynamite Industries. Now we're done.
Yes, we are done finally. After like 10 videos, we are done.
Okay, bye.